Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, my gorgeous ladies. Um, so it was funny. All of a sudden it was Vic, Dawn, Lisa, Robin. Everybody popped up in this at the same time. And Heather's awake, so she's around here somewhere. Because we've been chatting already this morning. Vic and I have been chatting already this morning. So yeah, I was a couple minutes late because I was actually at my desk a little bit earlier and got doing some stuff, and I'm like, oh, my coffee cup is empty. Let me run and get another cup of coffee. So while that was percolating, brewing, whatever, I washed up like pretty much the rest of my dishes, or the rest of my dishes, not necessarily my husband's dishes, but Lisa says cold brew 100%. All yours, Chica, all yours. Productive already. Now, let's see. Let's see just how productive I will be overall. So, I feel like I was productive this week. I just feel like, I don't know. I guess I always kind of feel like that, that I'm productive, but it's never as productive as I thought it would be, or as I thought I could be, or whatever. So my monitor seems like it's so Lisa's asking if I make a list to help keep your crazy brain organized. So I do. I have a list and I have a calendar. My list is I don't have a checklist type stuff, right? I have a calendar of things that are non-negotiables. And then the list is things that need to be done in between the non-negotiables. And so, yeah, my actual productive work days are generally Mondays and Fridays, because and then some Tuesdays, because Wednesdays and Thursdays are absolutely like full call days, and it's hard to do a whole lot of stuff in between the calls, because especially if I'm trying to do taxes or something, because if it's in between the calls, I'm not going to get started to not be finished. So yeah, that's why when it's full-blown tax season, I oh, really good, yay. When it's full-blown tax season, I cut way back out of consultations and things like that. So let's see. Vic says you are overwhelmed with too much you want to do. See, I don't see, it's not okay. So it's not being overwhelmed with too much that I want to do, because I'm pretty good about not doing all the other new things. I do just enough to keep that nagging shiny object stuff at bay. So I don't do a whole lot of that. I really enjoy what I do, the core of what I do. So it's not as big of a problem for me to stay within that area. The problem is, especially this week, is what happened with the driveway. So my bank account's still empty. That's the problem. So I wanted to get more accomplished so that there would be, money in my bank account this week. But we did get a new member yesterday, and I did complete a tax consultation. So I'm gonna get those. I'm gonna get 2 taxes knocked out today, at least 2. And hopefully, the plan is that I get those done this morning, and that the people will be able to pay me today, and then I'll be able to pay my VA, because I feel super guilty about what I did. I feel super guilty about being taken advantage of, thinking things were going to be one way, and that's not the way they were. So while I did get the whole thing done, and I did get a good deal on it, I am very it's been years. My bills are paid. Already my bills for the month of August were already paid, with the exception of paying my VA and stuff. And thankfully Tab didn't do any work for me this week, because she was doing her subathon. Speaking of which, let me tell you all, because I got to tell my members yesterday, let me tell you all what happened. Oh my goodness. I am so proud of my youngest daughter. So August 16th, she'd been hyping this thing up for like 2 months. And so she's a gamer. She's got 2 kids. And she's been hyping up this thing for 2 months, and she did a subathon. So it was supposed to be a 48-hour subathon where she streamed for 48 hours. I think it was 48. Anyway, she ended up streaming for 99 hours. It went from Friday until yesterday morning at 2 a.m. and she made $2,331. That's her piece. $2,331. Yep. I am so proud of her, and so happy that she was over there working, doing that this week. And okay, so this is how it worked. So she had she streamed, and some of that is she was streaming, she was sitting at her desk and she was sleeping. So she slept for 3 hours on camera one night. She slept for another 4 hours. Yeah, watch me snore. Right, exactly. So she had some of that going on. Then she didn't think that the stream was going to last that long, so she picked up a shift. So the stream had to stop, and while she went to work. So she went to work, she streamed, she went to work, she came home, she actually slept, and then went back to streaming. And yeah. So let's see. Yeah, Lisa says you were duped. Yes, I was. Noriko. Hi, Noriko. I know that guilty feeling is so well, Cheryl. I appreciate your transparency so much. You know what? And that was the whole point in telling the story, is I feel horrible telling the story. I feel horrible, but I know that there are other people out there that it happens to, and because of that, it's I think that I'm an intelligent person. I think that, I mean, I understand money. I understand business. And if it happened to me, then I'm sure that there's other smart, intelligent people that understand business and understand sales and understand money, and it happens to them too. Good morning, Heather. Let's see. Heather says, go tab. Vic says, is she okay? That is a lot of no sleep. Yep. Yeah. I love the watch me snore. Yes, absolutely. Noriko says, paid to sleep on the job. That's awesome. Yes. I'll have to let her read all these, or tell her that she needs to come read all these. Robin says, that's so creative. And so how does she make money? Just by streaming? So they send super chats. So so she streams on Twitch. I'm trying to talk her into adding in YouTube, but she streams on Twitch. And Twitch, up to a certain level, they charge. Y'all think eBay is bad? And some of these other platforms, they take 50%. 50% of subscribers. So she got, I think she told me, 468 subscribers at $5 a piece. So 468. So that's $2,340. So if all the subscribers re-up for the next month, then she has the ability to have $1,170 just on those subscribers recurring every month. So some of them were gifted to her. Some of them were dropped in. I don't know the whole thing, but she got 468 subscribers. So she now has $1,170 of recurring revenue just for doing stuff that she already loves to do. And it's not that she's good at the game itself, because she's admits that, she's not a really good gamer, like high up on the board type thing. She does multiplayer. It's multiplayer role playing RPG, massive multiplayer RPG, something like that. Anyway, and she has like 6 different characters, and she plays Grand Theft Auto mostly, and this particular server she plays on, the characters, the people that are on the server, like everybody has jobs. Like there are actual police officers that are playing. So it's not just the ones that are, the things in the server. Multiplayer open world role playing. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, she's going to continue to build on that. So hopefully within the next month, that she'll not only have those same subscribers, but she'll grow to more. Dawn says, my son watches someone play video games on YouTube live at times. It's crazy. Yes. I watched her the other night. Well, it was early morning. I mean, I don't really get it either, but yes, they're streaming multiple places, and that's what I'm trying to get her to understand. I just found out about a whole new site yesterday called kick.com, and it looks like there's a bunch of gamers streaming on there too. So yeah, I mean, if I would love to see her add in some other avenues. And she's actually learning how to build out pieces of the world. Like she's using YouTube to follow instructions to learn how to build out the things that go into the games. So she's been practicing. The tutorial was making a donut. So like she had gone through it before, and then this time going through it, she got a lot better at it, and now she's like stacking the donuts, and it's crazy. Like it's super, super detailed. Game design. So yeah, it really is. Like she's tried to explain some of this stuff to me, and I'm like, good for you. I'm like, not my thing. I'm super proud. I'm happy for you. You can tell me all, you can show me all the stuff that you're doing, but if you start explaining it to me, then it's gonna just go. It's a little too much. I am going to work on getting some videos done today, as well as the other stuff. I'm gonna work tomorrow. There's just no way around it. I need to get caught up and things like that. I was in a call with someone the other day, so I really need to go through my email list and segregate it by, what people have bought. I have to figure out what people have bought. And I'm not sure exactly. Oh yeah, I can do that in Thrivecart. So I'll probably just go in there and maybe I'll just wipe out my email list and then go in there and segregate. I don't know. I'll figure it out though. Hopefully there's an easy way to do it. But I came up with a slightly different based on all the talk about I don't know what questions to ask. So what topic do you want to know more about? And this morning chat, I know that we love coming in here and having our coffee together in the morning. Do you want me to make it a little bit more productive? Or we can go with Lisa's idea of the whole watch me snore, and I'll just start the camera and I'll just go back to sleep. Maybe I need to take a nap once a day and just, go live and take a nap. Vic says, I love to get reminders about the meeting this week and today. Get reminders. Are you saying you would love to get an email reminder of the... Robin says maybe have a focus area per month. So yeah, the focus area to me The focus area is always, for me, it's always deductions, because it's the thing that people struggle with the most outside of actually entering the things. But Vic, I would love to know what you mean by the reminders, because there is an automated thing that I have inside of my email list where if I do it, it would automatically send out a list and links of all of the videos that I did for the week. Like, it's connected to my YouTube, so all the recordings would be in there. Oh, okay. Just reminders, me tell. Okay, during the call. Got it. All right. Okay, I can do that. Heather says, I like our morning banter. Robin says maybe have a focus area per month. Vic says, I don't think it needs to be more productive. No, just me talking. And maybe mention the topics we talked about in the calls to entice others to join. Oh, the topics we talked about in the membership? I could do that. Heather says, this is my unstructured call. Right. My unstructured call too. Robin says, organize, track, improve, taking deductions, discussions, goals, etc. See? Heather, should I tell her now? Should I do it now? I think maybe I'll do it now. All right. Present. Hey, Robin. Oh, look at all the hearts and the cheers and the that's great. Yes. Robin. This is my first attempt at doing a certificate of achievement. Certificate of achievement. Certificate of achievement. Oh my goodness. This was my first attempt at doing this. But I love it. And here's what I figured out yesterday afternoon. So before you guys hop off of here, I know some of you got to go. Members are going to be called campers now. So all of the members are now campers, and I'm going to there's going to be merit badges and achievement badges and things like that. So I have to figure out exactly how to do that. But I started having like the biggest fun time yesterday. Yeah, like scouts. Yep, exactly, like scouts. So I am, yeah, like Heather and I got on a call yesterday because I was like, I want you to look at this thing. And then we got to talking more about the membership and, what the different levels were being called and things like that. And I went, campers, they got to be called campers. Robin says, oh my God, I love earning badges. Me too. So, I have to figure out exactly how to make them, how to give them, how to present them, and stuff like that. But I will figure it out. And so we already know Robin has an organization badge. That will come to her. I will send her the certificate, but we're definitely going to get her a organization badge. Oh, Heather has an idea. She's going to message me. Dawn says that sounds like so much fun. Yep. Heather gets a branding badge. Yep. Marcus obviously gets the YouTube badge, and then we have, we can have various levels for eBay. Like if you are maybe you get an eBay store started. Maybe, you are a 4-figure eBay seller. Maybe you're, yes. So I'm like, this is so cool. But I want them to be visual. So I can't just say you got this. I want actual badges. Did your taxes on time. Monthly bookkeeping badge. So I don't know what, but we'll figure it out. This thing together. I think it's great. Robin says, oh my God, brilliant. So, yeah, that's too much monthly. No, it's not too much monthly. Bye, Lisa. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Sending you all the love and light. And sleepy auditors. Just like yesterday. Vic is laughing. So, no, Vic. Monthly bookkeeping. Taxes on time. You know what? What I might do is if you're doing your taxes with me, I might give you like a discount if you have all your bookkeeping done for the year, like on time. Who knows? We don't know what I'm going to do yet, right? So, all right. It is after 9:00. Complete a checklist. We are given. Yes. Vic says, I sat down to do bookkeeping and I found my workbook. Yay. So yeah, I have to get the infrastructure in. But it doesn't all have to be done at one time. And I know that. And so I will start implementing as we go. And, but I love the ideas, and I think that it's going to be so much fun. And I hope that by doing it, you guys will be 100%, you'll be able to better your finances, better your business, better your life, and, live that best life. Engage. Now I feel like we're in Star Trek. What was it? All right, everybody, have a great day. I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.